Affirming his insistence that Jamaica must now focus more on increasing productivity, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced a slew of initiatives to upskill young persons and support business development. Mr. Holness was making his contribution to the 2024-2025 budget debate and indicated that these would be implemented by the Heart NSDA Trust. Through the Community Action for Rewarding Engagement Care initiative, Heart will seek out and engage people who are not working or enrolled in a training program. 30 persons drawn from each of the 63 constituencies will receive a stipend of $13,000 per week for the duration of their training and a monthly transportation grant of $15,000. This grant will be tied to their attendance at training.
Heart will be proactive in finding you and bringing you to the well of training. If our economy is to grow, we need every able-bodied man and woman who is able and capable of working to join the labor force. A specialized team in Heart will go to their houses or meet them on the corner if necessary to engage with them and enroll them into the programs that will enhance their employability.
Heart will also roll out a partnership with the JDF for additional training and character development through the Jamaica National Service Corps. Another initiative is an accelerated pre-apprenticeship program with construction firms to develop employability skills and technical competencies. It will include a 7-month immersive, on-site training, on-the-job mentorship and assessment and certification.
This creative approach will make the training in construction more aligned to industry needs, and we will be able to put persons to work in a shorter time frame.
Another layer of skill development and certification in construction will include HOPE participants through on-the-job training with the National Housing Trust. During the 2-year apprenticeship period, participants will receive a stipend. The program is in partnership with Heart and other development partners.
Another boost, Madam Speaker, for the labor supply of the construction sector is that the NHT will also expand its scholarship program to provide tuition at a maximum of $1 million per annum per student for up to 10 students at the tertiary level, pursuing careers in civil engineering, construction management, construction technology, architecture, urban planning, and building technologies and other related fields.
The Heart NSDA Trust will also launch the Skills on Demand portal, connecting skilled professionals with potential employers and clients.
If you need a plumber to fix a leak at your house, you will be able to go on the Skills on Demand portal and identify plumbing professionals who have registered and who have been verified as having training and certification from Heart. Skilled professionals will be able to advertise their skills, their previous employers' ratings, and their current location to potential employers and clients.
Mr. Holness says potential employers and clients will also have the ability to post specific job openings for individuals with the required skills. Having removed tuition fees in 2023 for all Heart programs up to Level 4, the government is incentivizing successful students. Prime Minister Holness says this is to facilitate more self-employed and young people who are entrepreneurial. From April 1 this year, each successful graduate of a Level 4 trade program is in line to receive a grant of $50,000 to purchase tools of their trade and move to the next stage of their career. Path beneficiaries and wards of the state will receive $75,000.
Additionally, starting next financial year, the Heart NSDA Trust will open a special grant facility of up to $100,000 for Heart certified trainees who have registered a trade or business that has been operating for more than a year. The beneficiaries will also be assisted in refining their business plans, executing marketing activities, further capacity building, and other forms of technical support.
Mr. Holness announced further that come June this year, the Development Bank of Jamaica will introduce the Tradesperson Ownership Opportunity Loan Tool Program. This will allow small contractors to access up to $500,000 to assist with purchasing or upgrading their tools.
So technically, Madam Speaker, a graduate could get 50,000 grant and then go to DBJ and get another loan for 500,000 to buy the tools necessary to start off their business. These grants and technical assistance are a deliberate effort to provide our trainees and small businesses with meaningful support to increase their productivity and grow their businesses.
Going even further, the government is making available a pool of $200 million in tuition support. This will benefit approximately 1,000 tertiary students who are in good academic standing with their institutions but are having financial challenges. The allocation comes on the heels of the removal of the guarantor requirement for student loan effective April 1.
This support will be administered through the Ministry of Education in conjunction with the CDF, where each constituency will be allocated approximately $3 million and each beneficiary can get a maximum grant of $200,000.
The Prime Minister says this move is to provide access to higher education and secure a pool of competent and qualified prospective workers for the labor market.
This administration is very serious about giving our students the opportunity to access higher education and skills as we seek to move from a low-wage economy to a high-productivity economy.